guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I'm sharing the brand new spring release from Fawn, and it is super amazing. Have you checked out the YouTube channel or their blog and seen all the inspiration? I am blown away, and I will show you my favorite from the release. So Fawn sent me a sample to put together of the new pop-up die, and it is just so fun, and it was easy to put together. There's a great video on their YouTube channel showing you just how to do that. So look at this cute pop-up. Isn't that cute? So it just pops up. Look at that. Love it. Oh, I have a piece of acetate in there. I was going to fill this in more with some more little images and stuff, but there's a backdrop that you can add on. It's an add-on die, so it will look like this, and you can decorate the back, put a sentiment up there, and I didn't stick it on because I wanted to show you how it looked without it, and it's super cute. So you just push from the bottom. I love it. And then here's another sample they sent me. So this one, they have it shut like this where it pushes down, so you can do it either way. Isn't that cute? And it just sits there. I love it. So cute. Okay, so I'm going to put those to the side. I have some more sample cards here. So these are the tiny spring friends, and they're so cute and tiny, and they're perfect to peek from the window here. So they created a scene outside looking out, and that is so cute. So I'm going to show you this one. So this one is called Berry Rainy Day. Love the set. It is very, very cute. And then here is a sample card. How cute is that? Have a happy day, rain or shine. There is also this cute little fence die that's available. Just adorable. And look at the little bears. Oh, they're so cute. And then there's the coordinating die. Let me see if I can find that fence die. Oh, here's the pop-up box, since I did show you the cards for that one. So here's the platform pop-up add-on. So that's the little add-on. It does come with the sun and a couple clouds and the panels to decorate it with. And then this is the platform pop-up die. Also have a word in there, hello. There's a bow you can decorate the outside, grass, really super cute. Oh, I think I accidentally grabbed two of these, but I think there's a straight fence too. So there is a slimline hill fence, so that is nice and big. Okay, so for the next card here, we've got these cute little goats, and then the Happy Mother's Day, and then looks like they offset it for a shadow. Let me show you those cute goats. Okay, look at these cute goats. Aren't they adorable? So we've got one that can be jumping over the haystack, and then there's these tiny little words that you can put inside the speech bubble. And then there is a coordinating die, of course. And then the Happy Mother's Day. Let's look for that one. So here's a Happy Mother's Day. So you can kind of get an idea of how big it is on an A2 size card. And then this cute little card over here says, thank you so very much. There is a basket die and some strawberries, and then these cute little mice. So the mice come from this very special stamp set. Isn't that adorable? And then there's also this little trail, which you see in this card here. So these fit on the little platform, which is very nice. So this one is my favorite from the release. I just love these cute little strawberries and all these cute little mice and all the accessories. There's the sign, and then you can put these little stamps on there. So cute. Let me show you the basket. Okay, so here's the strawberry patch where you see that those cute little strawberries, and then the little greenery is from this die here. And then we've got the little basket. It's called Fruit Basket. I forgot to tell you, so if you do spend $60 or more, you'll see this pop into your cart for free. It's the year 11 little 2x3 stamp set from Fawn. Really, really cute. There is a coordinating die, so if you do want the die, don't forget to pick up the die for this stamp set. So we have some more cute little stamps. This one's the year 12. So I guess they brought in the year 11 because they missed it, I guess. And now we also have the year 12. So cute little bird. We've got Better Days. So here's a smaller stamp set. The cute little bunny holding a heart. And the sentiment, sending big hugs. I love you. I hope you feel better. Better days are ahead. Until then, I'm sending hugs. By hugs, I mean this card. There's a flip-flop, and this is the Rub-a-Dub Dub stamp. So this is a flip-flop from the original. And then we have the die. So more strawberries. We've got the How You've Been strawberry add-on. And then there is a die for that. So love those cute little strawberries. There's little cute faces you could stamp on them. Just adorable. And then we've got tiny little farm friends. So isn't that cute? And then the little dies. We've got a little saying here, E-I-E-I-O, for your magic wheel. So really cute. This goes with that, I guess. This is the Reveal Wheel Build a Barn add-on. So this is for your reveal wheel. So for the barn, there is a little barn die in here. Check that out. Build a barn. How cute is that? So that's for the little door there, so you can have the sentiments go in a wheel. So super cute. And also we have the Reveal Wheel Strawberry add-on. There's templates that you can pick up for those. Okay, let's get to these bigger stamp sets here. We've got the Magic Spring Messages. So these are really pretty. These are for Easter, spring. We've got a happy graduation, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day, best wishes, hello spring, happy Easter. Very, very cute for all your spring occasions. And then we've got the giant Easter messages, and then the coordinating die for that. We've got have a happy Easter, wishing you a joyful spring, and hello sunshine. We've got garden before and afters. So really cute. We've got the little carrots popping out. We've got sunflowers popping out. And then we've got a plant just being started and then watered, and then, you know, a few weeks later, and then we've got the nice sunflower. Isn't that cute? And then you got all these really cute sentiments. There's a new window scene. So we got a nice spring scene, one with little Easter eggs hidden everywhere. And then the sentiments, happy Easter, happy spring, sending sunshine. Hope your day is extra special. And then this is the die for that. So it cuts out a nice frame around your scene. We've got some standalone dies here, Foxy Friends. We've got the Springtime Bunny. So these are very nice in size. I like that. We've got Plant a Succulent. So that looks really interesting. Got a cute little face you can put on there. Very cute. We've got Magic Iris Floral Wreath add-on. So those are always pretty, and this one's a nice spring one. A stitched strawberry frame and an outside-in stitched strawberry frame. So really cute. So this one's got the stitches on the inside and on the outside, and you get those strawberry seeds, and this one you get like the greenery. So I could see you mixing and matching the little accessories on this. Tiny Gift Box Goat and Llama add-on. So that's super cute. So there they are on the back. Very, very cute. Henry's 1, 2, 3 and ABCs. So really cute, playful font. Love that. Gives a nice look to your cards. I believe they use that on this berry here. We've got Lucky Clovers. So really nice stitching on the inside. And then your giant greeting. So we got Happy Spring. We've got Happy Easter. Get well soon. And I already showed that. And then we've got the Spring Flowers backdrop. So that's really, really pretty. You cut out the center here. And then these are little florals that you can pop on around your frame here. And then we've got a Good Luck line border. So that's what it looks like on the back when it's cut out. We've got some really nice stencils. We've got skinny stripe stencils. So we've got a 2-pack, one going diagonally. You can make some nice patterns with that. We've got Spring Blossoms background stencil. Oh, and here it is on the back. I should have shown the back. And then this one. So there's 3 in this one. So it's a nice layering stencil. We've got the Raindrops. So it's called Rainy Sky. And then we've got Clover background. So it's a 2-piece layering stencil. We've got some ink and some paper. We've got 2 paper pads. We've got the Gingham Rainbow, and we've got the Flower Market. Very nice color scheme. Perfect for all your spring cards. We've got Clover and Rainforest for the new colors. The last 3 things I wanted to share is their new clear glaze pen. I guess you would call it a pen. So it's kind of like their glue dispenser, but it's clear glaze, kind of like a glossy accents type of product. It'll dry clear. And then we have one with sparkle inside. So really, really pretty to add some dimension to your cards. And then there's this new stencil paste. It's clear. So I can imagine you can do many things with this. Use it with your stencils and you'll have this nice shiny finish. You could probably sprinkle glitter on it if you wanted to shine it up even more. So fun items. I'll have the links down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for shopping small, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care. Bye guys.